support ya, biar support nih si Sophie ya.
Okay.
For me, actually, I have no specific goals, but I actually want to lose some weights. By losing weight, it means that I need to get more muscle mass at first. So I want to gain some muscle, and then also I feel like I want to get like fitter first to be able to practice consistently for the glutes and the leg, especially leg, because I want to try running as well later if
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I already lighter and if I feel like I am fine running. But first I want to practice my to gain more muscle first. That's my goals for now. More like having a routine of doing workout since I never did anything before. So, so I push myself to enjoy working first. Workout. Big. I feel
So
like
now you cutting, right? You do deficit calorie also?
mm, mm, not like deficit calorie, but I do intermittent fasting. So I have my eating window in a day. And if I want to eat in the morning, I only eat protein. For example, like the boiled eggs.
Mm-hmm.
And in the day, I just eat. And the day I just eat just regular, but with minimum portion. But to eat more and more protein because when I check my body or with the scale with the
Mm-hmm.
scale I got that I have less protein in my body, so I need to get more and more protein so that I will be able to build some muscle. I eat a lot of protein these days, and my eating window is maximum at 6 or 7 p.m. actually every day.
I hope you can enjoy the routinitas, sis.
I hope so because it's only been 2 weeks, I think. Only been 2 weeks, and I still feeling that needing to do the exercise. That's why even though I will go to out of town, I'm trying to making routine to still do some workout in the morning. I hope that I don't feel the energy even though I cannot go to the gym every day. Later, if I already back to the campus activity, right? I hope
Oh,
this one.
okay.
Okay, thank you, Sis Sophie, for asking and talking with me.
Okay, sis.
Okay, selanjutnya ada Bro Sofyan and Sis Limbong. I also haven't heard your voice tonight, Sis Limbong. Bro Sofyan, hello, welcome.
Halo, Sis Vira.
Hello.
Hello, Spira.
Hello,
Sophie and
everyone.
Sis Limbang.
Hello. There are only like four of us right now. It feels like everyone's already enjoying their weekend. I think udah mulai going out, eating outside, or like meet team dinner. I also don't know, yeah. But very happy to have you all here. Kita akan mulai dengarkan dari Sis Limbong ya. Hello Sis Limbong.
Hello, Sis Vira and everyone.
Hi, how was your day?
It was really bad, I think, Sis Vira, because I have a headache since last night, and
Hmm.
so I didn't go to the office this morning because I feel that I cannot do it. I really lemas, like I do not have enough energy to stand, and my head is like, you know, um, really pushing and berputar-putar like that.
Oh, you feel very dizzy.
Yes, it's Vera.
Mm,
And I have really tired.
and really,
Uh,
you.
yeah, before, so I have a headache and didn't go to work.
Hmm. I see. That's not very good, Sis Limbong. But how about now? Do you still feel the same now?
Today is better. Now it's better, sis. Mira.
Much
I can um sit 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 down like that.
better.
Yeah.
You can sit down today. Like yesterday, you cannot even wake up.
Yeah, sis Mira, 'cause you know the when I try to stand up or sit, it's my head is like berdenyut-denyut like that, you know.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
and good
hmm.
factor.
Have you ever heard about vertigo?
Ah, yeah, yeah,
Uh,
sis Mira, I ever had it.
yeah. Do you think that it's vertigo yesterday?
Mm, I don't know, sis Mira.
I see.
Not
Because
sure.
like heavy headache, dizzy, you cannot stand up because it feels like the world is spinning. Yeah, that might be a sign of vertigo. It means that you are very tired, Sis Limbong.
Yeah, sis
Yeah,
Mira. Maybe.
you've been working overtime, right? For the previous days, for the whole week.
Yes, sis Mira.
I
And
see.
I do not go to clinic because you know I live alone, so I do not have anybody to bring me there. So I
Mm,
just try to find out what is a medicine in my room. So
mm,
I found paracetamol and then I consume it and then maybe I found the medicine for gas in my stomach like that. So
mm,
I consume it too because my stomach is like had a stomach like that.
mm. Yeah,
Every
stomach ache.
medicine I found that maybe can make me better, I consume it, you know,
Mm.
because I don't have anybody here.
Oh, I know. That's why. Maybe you also more like you also don't have energy to go outside. Right. If I were you, if I have like vertigo, I would prefer to just sleep in my bed without going outside. If when you feel a little bit better, then you can go. But like if you still have the headache or the dizzy, I cannot imagine that I still have do you still have the energy to go out? I don't think so. Like wait in the puskesmas or like in the hospital, I don't think that could work. Yeah, it's better for you to take a rest in your own room first, right? If it's like only dizzy, it's not like it's not like fever or like 3 days of fever and something else, right, Sis Limbo?
Yes, it's Vera.
Okay, really, really hope that you feel better so that you can enjoy your weekend, Sis Limbong. Last weekend you didn't get to do anything, right? So, so hoping that this weekend you can enjoy your weekend.
Yes, it's Vera. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's also hear from Bro Sofyan. How are you? How was your day, Bro Sofyan?
Yeah, I'm well as I hope.
Okay. And what are your plans for the weekend?
Go to visit my student
Oh, where?
in the other not the other country but the other
Region?
what yeah, the other region.
Oh, why do you need to visit them?
Uh, as the schedule for how to say it, KKN,
Oh,
Monef, yeah, something like that.
oh, huh? Do you like also like KKN in high school, Bro Sofyan?
I'm a teacher in in university.
You are the teacher in university. Why didn't you mention that, Bro Sofyan? The first time I asked you, you said you are a teacher in
Yeah,
high school.
lecturer, teacher too.
I know, I know, but there's a word for lecture. That's why. Oh, you are okay. Now I understand. Until today, Bro Sofyan, I thought you are the teacher for, I don't know, maybe like vocational school because you teach them about astronomy, Islamical astronomy. I thought you are teaching high schoolers about the astronomy in vocational school atau SMK. Now I know that you are a lecturer. Oh my God, Bro Sofyan, you are
Yeah,
our teacher
lecturer is a
too.
teacher too.
Yeah, lecturer also do teaching, of course. But there's a word or a name for lecturer, like lecturer, Bro Sofyan. Okay, so you are the dosen pembimbing lapangan ya. So
Yeah,
you want to check, so you want
right.
to check your students there. I
Yeah,
see.
with I have plan with my wife and my child,
Oh,
and how to say it? We have uh we need homestay
hmm.
to to go there.
Yeah, we need a home. You
Oh,
need like a home to stay for a night. So you want to stay
yeah,
there?
yeah.
Oh, wow. How long does it takes to from your place to the KKN place?
Only for 2 or 3 hours
By car, by
by
vehicle?
car. Yeah,
Hmm. 2 until 3 hours by car. Okay, okay. That's doable, yeah. Oh, they must be very fun. But it must be very interesting for them,
I
like,
hope so.
yeah, to see you on the location for that. Okay, Bro Sofyan. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for sharing that. Sis Vira baru ini lagi,
Yes.
baru ngeh lagi. Oke, Bro Sofyan. Kita lanjut ya. Let's listen to Bro Wahib too. Hello, Bro Wahib. It's been a while, Bro Wahib.
Hello, Sispira. What's up?
Hello, hi. I'm good. How about you?
I'm okay.
Okay, that's nice. What did you do today, Bro Wahib?
What?
What did you do today?
Oh, today?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I have I have busy so much, like uh, I have a lot of activity.
Mm-hmm.
It makes me screw up to my time, like. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I ha I'm with my friend. We make a little community
Mm-hmm.
for uh, uh, for uh, for reading book, like a community of reading, like, yeah, like this. But yeah, we uh, we are looking for a home for our secretary, like, our office, like. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that is it make me so busy for,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
To prepare,
for
yeah.
our program. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
I think that, yeah.
Oh, I
So yeah,
see.
that's why I don't I don't attend to
Yeah.
join
Our
on group
previous meetings, yeah.
but yeah, for 2 days. Yeah, I think that,
Mm.
because yeah, I'm so busy. I think that.
I see. That was what keeping you busy recently, Bro Wahib. What kind of communities? What kind of community is
the the community of reading,
reading?
baca. Yeah, komunitas baca.
Komunitas membaca,
Yeah,
literacy.
yeah, I think that's because I see the young people in this Indonesia,
Hmm?
Yeah, a lot of the most is the most are still less to read book, and I think yeah, I think that we need uh we need make we need to make something community um for for
Hmm.
reviving of reading. Yeah, I think that.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Still, orang Indonesia even if Indonesianese or the people of Indonesia don't really even they don't want to read the caption of some postings as
Yeah,
simple as a short caption or like specific information on the video. Kita
yeah, I think
tim
that.
literasi ya.
Yeah, because I think that I think about books.
Mhm.
Books is very important for source of knowledge. Is it is different from you watch on video, some video on YouTube. Yeah, it is not the same. I think that
Ya, betul.
uh, it
Ya,
is it's not the same like you read some book. Like
mhm. You mean that physical books, Bro Wahib?
yes, physical book.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Physical.
I think uh it makes different atmosphere. If
Hmm.
yeah, when you are reading a book, maybe yeah, it it brings something different. You uh something different uh with watching YouTube, watching uh, Instagram, watching uh, Facebook. I think that, or yeah, I think that.
I see.
Yeah, because I think
So
that
for actually nowadays we have
in
like
technology
a
era,
deal with to
you you cannot you cannot play technology is better without you read many book. I think that such as logic or mathematics or um, yeah, history, and I think that the basic knowledge for uh, uh, for 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 human. Yeah, I think that.
okay, that's right. Yeah, so that's the mission of your community, Bro Wahib.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing, Bro Wahib.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
Yeah. So sorry, Francis. Kayaknya tadi my network had some trouble. I just got notice on the Zoom.
Okay.
Sorry. So if you couldn't hear my voice.
Not problem. Never mind.
Okay, thank you. Yes, we have Bro Ilham too here. Let's listen to Bro Ilham a little bit. Hello, Bro Ilham. How are you?
Very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you, Bro Ilham, for asking. Hope that your days went well, Bro Ilham, because tomorrow is weekend, right? So you can enjoy.
Yes.
Tomorrow is weekend. Oke, kita mulai ya. Kita mulai topik kita hari ini. Today will be our last meeting for this period, and then pertemuan ke-20 will be your video exam, ya, video final exam. Wait, Sis Vera akan masuk hari ini ya. I'm an ambassador. I am an ambassador. Speaking in the scenario of an ambassador. Jadi berarti seolah-olah menjadi ambassador ya. Indonesia it is. Indonesia it is. So more like ini Indonesia gitu ya. Indonesia it is. Kita baca dulu. There are 5 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke, Sfira bagi ya. I will divide this into some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mohon maaf kalau tidak imbang ya. I just see the sentence. Nanti next slide ada lagi. Kita bagi dulu. Sis Vera izin ya tulis namanya ya. Kok Sis Amel jadinya. Sis Sophie. Sis Sophie. And then continue to Bro Sofyan. Loh apa membedakannya? Oh ini. Bro Sofyan. And then to Sis Limbong here. Next to Bro Wahib. And then the last sentence to Bro Ilham. Kita membaca dulu ya. Indonesia it is. Let's go, Sis Sophie. You may start.
Indonesia, which is the largest archipelago in the world, consists of an 18,108 islands.
Okay, thank you. Archipelago. Archipelago. What is archipelago?
Kepulauan.
Kepulauan. Yes, yes. Very good. Oh, sorry. Good, nice. Kita lanjutkan ya, Bro Sofyan.
It has it has 5 big islands and other 30 smaller groups which spread along the equator, which give Indonesia a tropical climate throughout the year.
Throughout.
Throughout.
Throughout the year. Climate. 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 Iklim. Climate. Okay. Equator. What is equator here?
Lintang.
Lintang atau
Khatul Istiwa.
Khatulistiwa. Bro Sofyan barusan bilang pakai Arabik ya.
Ya kan memang Khatulistiwa itu dari Arabik.
That's from Arabic ya. Wow, it's so cool. Okay, nice information. I'll try to find it ya. Khatulistiwa ya in Indonesian it's equator. Okay, kita lanjutkan Bro Sofyan udah Sis Limbong. Okay.
The most populated and largest islands are Sumatra and Java.
Yes, two most populated and largest island. First is Java, I think. Baru
Sedikit banget.
ya. Only Java, Sumatra.
Yes.
Oh, Sis Limbong bacanya sedikit banget. Next slide. Sis Limbong baca lagi ya.
Oke.
Oke, kita lanjut Bro Wahib.
Okay. The other islands which are also as important and famous as Sumatra and Java are Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Irian Jaya.
Okay.
Lanjut ya? Oh, boleh.
Oh, finish.
Famous. Oh,
Ya.
sorry. Famous.
Ya, good. Dari kata fame. Fame itu ketenaran ya, fame. Famous.
Okay.
Ya.
Famous.
Ya,
Famous.
very good. Oke. Nice, kita lanjutkan.
Thank you.
Thank you. The last sentence, Bro Ilham.
The capital city of Indonesia is located in Java, Jakarta, which has about the same size as Singapore. Jakarta 750.28 kilometer persegi, and Singapore 707.1 kilometer persegi.
Ya, how to say kilometer persegi in English?
Apa? Square kilometer or kilometer persegi?
Ya, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kilometer persegi itu tadi benar tuh. Square kilometers.
Oh, square meter. Oke.
Nah, exactly. Ya, perseginya kita artiin aja ya, square.
Square.
Exactly. Okay, nice, keren. Kemudian ya ini a little getting to know ya about Indonesia, which we already know actually. Kita lanjut. Let's go. Okay. There are some questions. Right, let's find out what ambassadors you are. Sis Fira mau kita baca pertanyaan aja. I don't know about this environment, maybe like about tourism. Ini yang lebih bisa kita sharing ya. Kalau environment, not everyone is passionate in environmental issue, but tourism, I think each of you has something that you can share. Kita akan baca pertanyaannya dulu. For this one, I need help to read from Sis Limbong. Tadi membacanya very short ya. Please help me to read the first point, Sis Limbong. The first question.
Okay, Spira. If you become the Minister of Tourism and Environment in your country, what would you do first to attract youth to promote tourism?
Okay. If you become the Minister of Tourism and Environment, environment, bukan environment, ya, environment in your country, what would you do first to attract youth? Youth, not youth, generasi muda. Youth to promote tourism, untuk mempromosikan turisme, ya, turisme atau pariwisata. Okay, next point will be read by Sis Sophie.
If given the chance, what part of your city would you like to improve?
Oh, I bet that you have your own answer for this ya. If given the chance. Nah, ini bedanya ya. Chance artinya kesempatan. Kalau yang change artinya berubah atau perubahan. Ya, berubah atau perubahan. Atau di dalam yang lainnya artinya uang kembalian. Ya, this is your change. Kita lagi bayar, oh ya, this is your change. Nah, itu uang kembalian artinya. Kalau di Palembang kita uang kembalian itu bilangnya sosok. I don't know in your place. Nah, itu uang kembalian dalam bahasa
Di Jawa susu, sis.
susu ya, susunya kalau di Palembang sosok pakai O. Ya, sosok. Nah, ini ya, jadi beda chance sama change. For kesempatan adalah chance. Chance. Ini change. Oke, next. Oops, kayaknya suara Sisvira putus-putus. Sorry. Wait, kayaknya Sisvira off cam dulu for a while ya. Sementara. The next question will be read by Bro Wahib. Boleh Bro Wahib?
Okay. How would you promote tourism in your province?
Okay, good. Tourism in your province. Nice. Kita lanjutkan the next question. Bro Sofyan, please help me to read the next question.
How would you promote tourism in Indonesia?
Okay, how would you promote tourism of Indonesia?
Of Indonesia.
Yes, okay, it's okay. Kita lanjutkan. The last question will be read by Bro Ilham.
What will be your contribution to mitigate global warming?
Oh, what will be your contribution to mitigate global warming? Ini sangat berkaitan ya. It's very related to tourism, pariwisata, because we have so many nature here and that we need to preserve, yang harus kita jaga ya. Okay, so here are the questions that you wanna share. I'm giving you 5 minutes, Francis, to find your answer for these questions. You can maybe like choose one. If your answer will be long, then you can choose one topic. But if you think that your answer will be like just short, you can choose 2 questions to answer. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you five minutes to find the question and find the answer. After that, we will share your answer here because there are only like 6 of us. So I cannot open the breakout room since there are only like 5 of you. That will be not as fun as maybe there are so many others in the breakout room. Jadi kita sharingnya di sini ya. Let's share in the main room. Please do answer the question. Try to find the answer and share it to us ya. Let's get ready until 21:40. So another 4 minutes from now. Yeah. I will send the question to the chat and I will okay, I will just send it here, the question, so you can choose the question. Boleh persiapan dulu ya, baru kita sharing. Sis Vira akan buat spin dulu untuk melihat who's going first and second and third and fourth and fifth. Ya. Okay, while you are preparing yours, Sis Vira akan spin wheel dulu ya to see who's going first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Ya, ini untuk urutan aja so that I don't have to choose each of you ya. Kita lihat ya. Okay. Okay, so the first will be Sis Limbong. Wait, Sis Vira catat dulu. Sis Limbong will go first. And then second Bro Sofyan. Bro Ilham, sorry. Bro Ilham. Third will be Bro Wahib. Fourth, Sis Sophie. And fifth, Bro Sofia. To share ya. Okay. It's 9:40 already. Do you need more time to prepare or are you ready? Especially Sis Limbong who's going first.
Sis Vira, maybe I want to try it now because I have an idea.
Oh, that's good. Okay, you can go now. Maybe like your time will be around 3 until maximum of 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. Let's go, Sis Limbong.
Okay, sis. I will choose the question number 2. If given the chance, what part of your city would you like to improve? Okay, this is a good question. I have a opinion about this because if I have the chance, I want to improve the extortion or pungutan liar in my especially in my town here in Lake Toba. Because the tourism or destination around Lake Toba or Medan, North Sumatra is really really huge or is really really good. It's really really good in the previous year. The tourism is really so many people come to here, but even it from domestic tourism or foreigner, it's really so many people. But they do not come back again or make the twice. Um, they just want to hear once. You know I had a lot of or I read a lot of comments in section on Instagram. They said cukup sekali lah like that. I think, and I read all of it. All of that. It's about the extortion or pungutan liar. The extortion in North Sumatra, I think it's really bad now. So the tourism is do not take the tourism take it as a serious problem. They saw it as a really bad idea. So they prefer to do destination to the other province like Aceh, the nearest North Sumatra, and then they prefer go to Bali. So if I have the chance, I will to improve the extortion. Maybe the steps I want to take is I have to maybe have a regulation about destination, and then have to manage the maybe all of that pintu masuk entry in every destination, so they do not make the extortion anymore. Maybe that's all from me, Sis Fira. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sis Limbo. That happens in some of other tourist attraction in Indonesia too, right? Pungutan liar. It should be managed, yeah. It really should be managed by the government to make it like clear, right, Sis Limbo? Okay, good point of view from you. It's a real situation, ya. Keren banget, very good for sharing. That's our real world problem here in Indonesia. Everywhere, Sis Limbang, everywhere. Especially maybe for here in Palembang, we are very close to Lampung. We have so many beaches, pantai-pantai, right? And there are so many other extortion too di sana. Oke, kita lanjutkan ya. Let's listen to the others. Bro Ilham. Let's go, Bro Ilham.
Yeah, thank you, sir. About topic the how would you promote tourism of Indonesia? The first, I will promote tourism of Indonesia. Use the medsos, Instagram or TikTok, or and example, the Telegram can promote the destination to Indonesia. Is many place for the tourism to visit to Indonesia, and yeah, many culture and many history and many unique place for in Indonesia, and maybe the promote without yes, as Instagram or TikTok can be for we can the uh, for ngajak tuh to
Tax.
tax to tourism from other country to visit in Indonesia free. Example is for promote the tourism so the if tourism have the direct apa lihat secara langsung tuh direct to see how
Directly.
the
See it directly.
yeah directly how destination Indonesia the tourism can to to tell story to uh, their country how the destination in Indonesia is enough from me.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
Bro Ilham. So it is about the regulation for tourism tax. Yeah, it feels
Yes.
like it feels like we get our like ourselves as Indonesian as well. We get a very big tax for domestic flights, right? I don't know, like fly with airplane to another city in Indonesia is way more how can I call it, like it is way more expensive than flying to Malaysia or Singapore. So so like that's a very big question. How can that happen? Like if we want to gain more and more domestic tourism from Indonesian for locals, right? It feels like the only places that people of Indonesia want to go is the Java Island, the central of Java, Yogyakarta area, to Bali especially, Lombok, Padang only to Mentawai. And I don't know for South Sumatra, we don't really have tourist attraction. So there's no people coming to South Sumatra for some reason. Yeah, there are so many taxes in everything. Yeah. For us, domestics. Yeah. Okay, that's very another good point of view from Bro Ilham. Nice. Kita dengarkan dari yang selanjutnya. Let's also listen from Bro Wahib. Let's go, Bro Wahib.
Wow. Oke, si Slimong tadi berapa ya?
Apanya?
Beda-beda aja ya. Terserah aja ya.
Oh yeah, you can
How
choose.
to choose question. Okay, maybe I want to choose number. Okay, number 3. How would you promote tourism in your province? Yeah, I think that for interesting youth to promote uh, tourism uh, to to around of Indonesia and the world, and I think that it need to creative approach, such as you use social media, and yeah, maybe you make some platform such as website and Instagram and TikTok, like that. You maybe you can invite some influencer to promote your uh, tourism in your hometown. I think that, and then you can you can work together with uh, 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 um, uh, the business of travel, like that. Yeah, you work together uh, with them for promoting your tourism. That, yeah, I think that is uh, effective way to promote your tourism. And yeah, and another thing to promote uh, tourism of your hometown. Maybe you can you can you can hold some seminary, for explain you what interesting of tourism in your hometown. Yeah, uh, I think that one of effective way. Yeah, but uh, I think that uh, and importantly, maybe uh, importantly, uh, the important thing of tourism, that is people people attitude, like that. I think that a lot of visitor came to something place for holiday. Sometimes they cannot feel comfortable um, uh, when they communicate local people. Sometimes they they don't feel comfortable with them, because we see a lot of bad attitude in bad attitude around bad attitude of people around us, like that, around tourism, like that. Yeah, and I think it make visitor is not comfortable. Yeah, I think that. Yeah, I think that. Yeah.
Okay. So for example, like the attitude of extortion tadi ya, yang
Yes.
like apa pemungutan liar, and also
Yeah. I think
some
that.
attitudes like I don't know how to say that, but like to make a fool for the foreigners, menipu-nipu
Yeah.
bule ya,
Yeah.
make a fool of the
Yeah.
foreigners ya. Apa ya, markups the marking up the price of everything that
Ah.
people selling to the
Yeah.
as well. Yeah, that's not very
I-
good, right?
Illegal ticket. Yeah.
Illegal tickets and everything.
To
Exactly.
sell for visitor. Yeah, it's not bad. It's
Yeah,
bad. It's very bad.
that's how we call it, joki-jokian ya,
Yeah.
in for
Yeah.
tourism
Yeah.
place.
Yeah. I think that it, it's so many in tourism in Indonesia. I think that.
Yeah, it happens a lot, yeah, in tourism.
Yeah.
Exactly, Bro Wahib. And then the first point,
Yeah.
also using the internet or social media to promote, yeah.
Yeah. I think that.
Yeah,
Okay.
the kekuatan viral, ya.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, we need that right now. Viral dulu baru.
Yeah.
Iya, betul sekali. That's also one thing that we can do ya to promote the local tourism. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Thank you, Bro Wahid, for sharing yours.
You're welcome.
Nice. Let's hear for the next. We are going to hear from Sis Sophie. Let's go, Sis Sophie.
Maybe I will answer first question.
Wow. I think
Okay.
that the last I want to choose number one, but I think that I don't imagine when I become minister of
Why?
yes.
That's why let's listen to Sis Sophie. How can
Yeah,
Sis
wow.
Sophie bring that up?
I pray
No.
with her.
Because last time I'm joined volunteer and I have this question also, so that's why I want
Ah,
answer.
okay, let's go.
So if I become the Minister of Tourism and Environment, the first thing I will do is make tourism more fun in Indonesia, and I will make interesting for young people also, because Indonesia have so many um beautiful island and so many uh good culture. But why Indonesia not famous in many countries? I think because we don't have we are less in promotion. So maybe I will create programs like volunteers for youth people, where students can join and help promote also about beautiful place in our country. I will also make some social media like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Because I think many young people use these apps every day. And also, one thing, I think influencer, they have big power for this. So I will ask them to share their travel experience. So also I think I want to show that tourism is not only fun in Indonesia, but also I will show them Indonesia have many culture, because every city they have different culture, and also nature. We have so many nature in here and about history. So I also want to support local communities to work with young people in the tourism project. So that's all.
Oh, how can I say that? So you want to include the youth, yeah, including
Yes,
the youth to promote our tourism and make the tourism fine, yeah. Not fine, fun, yeah, fun.
yes, because I hear one podcast, they say why Indonesia not famous like food. We have many taste food.
Taste.
The yeah, but the famous only rendang, I think.
Nasi goreng, Indomie.
Yes, yes. It's
Yeah.
because we don't have promotion. It's
Hmm.
less in the promotion, so I think that's why.
I see. That could be very possible. Yeah, okay. That's very good point of view, Sis Sophie. Nice job. Keren. Thank you. Sip, sip, sip. Last but not least, let's listen to Bro Sofyan. Let's go, Bro Sofyan. How about you?
Yeah, all the question are the most challenging question, but
Jawab 1 sampai 6 ya.
I try to answer all of the question with one talking. Yeah, in my mind, everyone want to turn their area, their local wisdom into a tourist destination. Everyone want it, but making it happen is not always easy. Uh, yeah, not always easy. But uh, in Lombok, Lombok. I want Lombok to be uh, to be known not only about the nice place, but also about the unique cultural. Yeah, to make it happen, uh, to make it happen, the first step that we have to uh, we must yeah we must challenging our people mindset. Uh, yeah, and uh, I mean mindset to be good host for everyone, and to be how to say it, yeah, to be yeah, and to love their own own area. That the first step, because if we provide sugar, uh, ants will come by itself. Uh, yeah. Yeah, about the challenging. I think we have same challenging to in our country, our Indonesia. It's our Indonesia problems. Yeah. But I can add for in Lombok, especially in Lombok, one of the challenges so far is the issue of clean about cleaning. Everyone back to the mindset that uh everyone able to throw throw out rubbish and everyone. So this is our problems. I think that's all, everyone.
Exactly. I like the sentence that the sentences where you say that this is actually the how do I say it? It's actually a nation problem, national problem, which every places in Indonesia has the same one, that we that need to do something for that. Yeah, the same problem all around Indonesia. Exactly. Okay, Bro Sofyan, thank you so much for sharing about the topics, and then sharing, also giving your opinions about that. Very good. Thank you. It feels like for today's meeting, the tonight's meeting, I feel like there are so many things that actually need to be concerned. Yeah, we need to concern of about our tourism. Even me, as Palembangese people, I really don't know if maybe like imagining my family from Japan want to visit Palembang, for example. My family from Japan, my host mom, my host dad, my sisters from Japan want to visit Palembang. I really don't know where to take them if they go to Palembang. We only have Musi River, and then Musi River is not clean. I don't want to show them. Like, I don't want to show the dirty side of Palembang, the only tourism place that I can share to them. So it feels like I don't want them to see this side of my country and something like that. But in their mind, maybe like imagining the country is like Jakarta, the central, yeah, the central of Jakarta, where they have like biggest roads with clean roads, and then tall buildings and everything, right? So I also still don't know how can I um and what kind of tourism that I can share to them for Palembang. Yeah, for Lombok, like if you can say Lombok, like there are so many beautiful places in Lombok, but we don't have beach in Palembang. We only have Musi River. We don't have we don't have like hills or mountains in Palembang. We have mountains, but it's in Pagar Alam. It's a different city. It's not in Palembang anymore. So like basically I don't know. If they go to Indonesia, I can just show them about the food, not any nature, yeah, or tourist attraction, but more like dishes, yeah, dishes and traditional food. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
talking
okay.
about Japan, I went to Japan before, and uh, when I come back to came back to Indonesia, I just say, uh, wow, it's so different, so different.
Exactly. Exactly, Bro Sofyan. I lived in Japan for a year when I was in high school for my exchange study.
What
When, yeah,
prefecture
in
was
Tokyo.
it?
I live in
Oh,
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Yeah, I live in Tokyo. And that's what I said. That's what I felt when I touched down to Indonesia again. And I feel like everything's so different. I feel like there are so many things that Indonesia needs to improve. Can you imagine like it was in 2017, 2018? And it feels like I live in a 10 years difference between what we have here in Indonesia. There are so many good technologies there for houses, for shares, stores, and everywhere, literally everywhere, everything that I see, we cannot help but compare Indonesia and Japan. We cannot help but compare. Nggak bisa nggak membandingkan. Yeah, we cannot help but compare the situation. It was already 8 years ago. Can you imagine how different we are now in Palembang, not in Palembang, in Indonesia and Japan situation, yeah? That's why if you ever seen other country, I don't know, but it feels like we cannot help but compare always, like comparing something that Indonesia does not have, but like the other country has had it like years ago. Like, yeah, right? Can you imagine that situation?
Ya,
That's why.
sorry. Saya pernah berpikir bagaimana menjadikan itu, musnahkan dulu semua Indonesia atau bawa dia ke sana.
Dia buat peradaban baru. Itu mah nanti urusannya God willing ya kalau itu. Termasuk kita sudah musnah dulu ya. Dan like membuat peradaban baru ya. Oke. Ya mau gimana ya namanya. Gak tau lah. There are so many things that Indonesian people need to think right now. Even though that's not our something that we should do. Ya. Kita mikirin pekerjaan pejabat yang kita bayar pakai tax. Padahal mereka harusnya mikirin itu ya. There's so many things that how can we say that? Yeah, we can improve. Yeah, there are so many things that we can improve. We need to improve, but we need the policymakers, those people. We need the policymakers to do better, to not corrupt, and in in all field. Oke, akan menjadi pembahasan yang panjang dan panas ya if we talk about that kind of side of Indonesia or the story of Indonesia, our beloved Indonesia. I don't know what else can we say about that, but there should be a fun topic to discuss later. Okay, bro and sis, today is our final meeting. As I said, I will send you the final exam video regulation. So for our 20th meeting, kita gantikan dengan video selfie talking about some topic. Nanti topiknya Sisvira kirimkan ya. You can choose the topic, or basically if you have another fun topic that you want to share, it's totally okay tuh. Nggak harus yang dari topik itu juga nggak apa-apa. About tourism, about anything that you want to share, it's totally fine. From that video of yours, I will give you the feedbacks personally to each of you. And if you have questions after that, feel free to ask me too. Oke, menggantikan pertemuan kita yang ke-20. Nanti setelah ini Sisvira kirimkan ya ininya, informasi about the final exam video. Oke, as today will be our last meeting, kita foto lagi dulu juga ya Brancis ya. Okay, if you can open the cam, it will be better. Sip. I will count to 3, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for this whole month, not only for today, for this whole month, for sharing your thoughts, opinions. Very nice to meet you. I'm so sorry for my mistakes and my lackings. I hope that we can meet again someday. For the next level, I cannot teach at 9 until 10 p.m. That's why maybe if you continue to the next level, don't forget to register. And probably you will meet new friends and new tutor ya on the next level. Sepertinya itu dulu from me. Have a good night, have a good rest, enjoy your weekend, and see you again sometime, some other time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.